Hi everyone, it's Monica, and welcome back to TaylorMade Cards for You. In December, I was contacted by the owner of European Papercrafts, and she had asked me if I would be interested in being on her design team. Now, I'm really particular about the design teams that I am. I really have to love the product. And this is a company that I really didn't have any information on. So, of course, I did my due diligence. I checked out her site. And what I found is this is a company that has some great pieces of ephemera. And a lot of the pieces that she has in her shop work as layers. And that really intrigued me. So as I took a look around her shop and I found that it definitely was my style, I agreed to be on her design team. So what I'm sharing with you today is the packet that I received as my first installment for becoming a design team member for European Papercrafts. And I wanted to share with you some of the product. Now, some of the stuff that I got is ephemera, and what it is, it's paper and it punches out. And then you can use it on your cards and whatnot. But she has some really unique ephemera. The piece that I'm just showing you right now is a foiled piece of ephemera. And all of these pieces punch out, like I said, where you can create layers. Now, what I'm showing you here is one of the punch outs. And as you might be able to see some of the little numbers that are also on the sheet. And this shows you what pieces of ephemera go together. So you're able to easily layer some of your pieces of punch out paper onto your card. So I'm really excited to be able to try some of this out. Now this is another piece. Like I said, a lot of these pieces are punch out pieces where you can use as ephemera. And then they give you the numbers on the actual pieces to be able to put the items together. Now, of course, you don't have to match their recommendations, but these are the ones that typically will work well together. So as you can see on this particular piece, which is the Winter Classics, it's a 3D punch out. And you have number 1, number 2, number 3, and then number 4. And then what you can do is you could take these pieces and actually layer them with foam dots so you can get your 3D effect. Now that really intrigues me. I think that's going to make for a really cool card. So I'm really excited to try some of this product out. Now, while I found that some of the paper that I got was really vibrant and shiny and had a metallic look, I also got some pieces that were vintage. So I'm going to definitely be sharing those with you as well, because I think that probably was my most favorite piece that I got in my design team kit. Now, along with some of the 3D punch outs, I got some embellishments. And this little sticker sheet is one of the embellishments that I got. This is going to be great to add to some of the cards, the blue little hearts, as well as just the outline, the gold outline. Now, her shop not only has those 3D cutouts, but she also has designer paper. And here's a sampling of some of the designer paper that's in her shop. This is really nice quality cardstock. I wish I could share that with you on camera, but it is good quality. It's pretty sturdy, and that's something that I always look for in my cardstock. Now, it's not double-sided, so keep that in mind, but it does have some great patterns for your Valentine cards as well as some of your spring cards. Here's some more embellishments I got. These are little hearts that you can easily attach with your glue, and those are going to make great for my Valentine's Day cards. And then I got some tools here. Those are my foam adhesives that I'll be using for my 3D cards. And then I also got a sample pack of some easy 3D toppers. Again, all these can be utilized on your cards or on your journals, even your scrapbooks, to create really fun embellished designs. All right, so the last thing that I wanted to share with you that I got in my kit is, I think, my favorite piece. And this is close to my heart. These are romantic pictures that you can use to layer your cards and create some great vintage Valentine designs. Now, the back of the packet shows all of the paper and some of the cards that you can make using the paper that's in this pack. But let me show you how this pack works. So inside the pack, you're going to have one piece that kind of gives you an example or an idea of how you can create a layered card. And then you're going to get all the pieces to actually create that layered card. So you can either follow the design that's recommended, or you can create your own. But God, what a great stack. This stack has it's 12 complete cards that you can create with this stack. But you can even stretch this stack a little bit farther if you wanted to. So you don't necessarily have to use every single piece that they recommend for the card. You can easily mix and match and make this stack go a long way. So I'm really excited to dive into this and start creating some great projects for you. So I hope that you enjoyed my share, and I will leave links to the shop, but stay tuned because I am going to be creating some fabulous designs with this product. Thanks for stopping by.